Teithio dros ei llwybrau a thyme o'i hyd. Tir oedd ein dewinoedd ar gan yn un ar gwynt yr ori.
Hello, my name's Nick Meekins. I'm the trainer at Mind, the mental health charity. This Mental Health Awareness Week, we want everybody to get out into nature. That's the theme, and it would be great if we could use these beautiful places that we've got in Conwy. Now, there's loads of places to go, from the tops of Carneddau, our beaches, our forests, or even just the local park. You can find nature in the gaps between the paving slabs. Anywhere that there's bird song or something like that, you can explore. So we're challenging ourselves and you to get out and get muddy boots and wet wellies wherever you can. Now, it doesn't have to be muddy boots, it could be muddy wheels or sandy toes, we don't mind, as long as you're out taking photos and then sharing them to inspire others. Taking notice of nature, connecting with friends and family, being active, learning about nature, they're all proven ways of improving your mental health. Now, you can share all that at Mind. So we've got a Facebook page, which is Mind. We've also got Instagram /Mind. So really easy to find us. It'd be brilliant if everybody shared some stuff on our site. Now, we're also partnering with Bayside Radio. So we're going to try and find the most popular nature-themed song. So here's mine, which is Riverman by Nick Drake. Now, it's not the most cheerful song in the world, but I really like it, and it does make me think about nature and think about rivers. So it's a beautiful song. You should really check it out. Mind are running free wellbeing taster sessions. We're offering Nature's 5 Ways to Wellbeing for the Mental Health Awareness Week. That's the 10th to the 16th of May. They last about 60 minutes long. It's over Zoom. And you'll learn lots of practical tips and also find out more information about further training that we do. So if you go to www.commumind.org.uk, you can click on a link and find out more information about how to book.
Welcome. This is a series of mindfulness podcasts in nature, an opportunity for us to come back to our senses. This is an invitation to listen to 6 different exercises which you may like to try at home. You can do them indoors, in the garden, or somewhere outside, just amongst nature. This is an opportunity for you to take a pause. The recordings also include sounds coming from different places in the Carneddau. So what is mindfulness? Simply put, mindfulness is a way to bring attention to the present moment. Our thoughts are often very busy, and coming to our senses can often be a welcome break. And it can also support our overall well-being. So why mindfulness in nature? Nature is a wonderful place for us to practice mindfulness, as we often connect naturally with the present moment. Our senses often wake up when we spend time outside. Every exercise can be done indoors, looking out, or somewhere outside, anywhere from the garden to the forest to the top of a mountain. You can listen to the podcast inside and then try it outdoors, doing this without the guidance if you like. You can glance over the pointers in the invitations as a reminder before you head out. And when outside, something to sit on can be useful to protect you from the cold or the wet. So this is an invitation to take a pause, to notice, to give yourself time to be with yourself for a while, to come back to your senses. Enjoy.